Hi guys, this is Manish, and in today's video we're going to see the specification of the newly launched phone from the Realme XT. We're going to do a little bit of comparison between the Realme X and the Realme XT. We're going to see the specification about the Realme XT and why Realme is bringing so much phones right now into the market one month after one another. So this is the first phone which will be launched by the Realme XT, and it's the first ever phone into the world which is coming with your rear camera of 64 megapixel. Yes, in this Realme XT we're going to see the quad camera setup on the back, which is of 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and is being powered by your Snapdragon 712, which is being featured for the AI. Yes, the AI is always now integrated in every smartphone, which can make your phone work very much better. Plus, it can make your pictures very much clear and very much beautiful. On the front side, on the tear down notch, we're going to see the 16 megapixel camera, which is again being powered by the Sony IMX421 sensor. Plus, if I talk about the screen is of 6.4 inches AMOLED display, which we are giving up. And on this AMOLED display, the picture, if you are watching any sort of movie or songs, is being very much clear. Plus, the battery backup on this Realme XT is around 4000 mAh. In the Realme X, we have seen the battery backup of around 3765 mAh. So you're getting almost 300 more battery in this Realme XT. If I more talk about this phone, in the Realme X, you're getting only the dual camera setup on the back, which is a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Plus here you're getting the quad camera setup. Plus, if I talk about the price range of around for Realme X for the 4GB and the 120GB is around 70,000 rupees. But here for the 4GB plus 64GB, you're getting it only around 16,000 rupees. So if you move further and if you go for the 6GB plus 64GB, you're going to share around 70,000 rupees. So you have seen the difference between the RAM and the storage. So this phone is Realme XT, the first ever phone which came by the 64 megapixel. Overall, the phone looks very much great. Plus, the Realme XT is coming with your VooC charger of the 20 volts. So it can easily superfast your phone and can last almost around 1.5 days. So just the enough competition has been itself being created by the Realme into the market by its own phone. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is Manish and signing off, and I'll see you all in the next video.